just left the farm. Coming back empty.
Oh, back in.
Right. You're right. So where are we?
Rush hour traffic in Milwaukee.
Yeah, what were you complaining about?
The moon's coming in. It's gonna pull the water farther up.
Go touch the water. Touch the water. Touch it.
Naughty water.
Oh.
We're in town.
Well, what town?
The Hicks are in town.
Shut up. Speak for yourself.
I was talking about you. What's this? I'll fart it closed.
There's late, delayed.
That's how powerful the man farts are.
Oh my god. In a cute little Airbnb. We haven't met the owners yet, but we got the code to get in.
They might be ghosts.
Like Martha.
What if they were ghosts?
What if their name was Martha? So we're 7 minutes late.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, the shortest green arrow ever.
2 minutes.
Oh.
Look at you and your timing. Yeah.
We're here now and we did a thing. Who cares? I'm not dancing, that's the fun. No, check. Coming to the West Wing.
Is that west or south? I don't know.
I don't know, I'm in the city, I don't know. The West Wing has some paintings and furniture. Then on the South Wing, there's more paintings and furniture. The East Wing has a couple more paintings and furniture. While the veranda has the viewing benches.
What about the Davenport and the Chesterfield?
Those are out in a truck. I told you to wait.
No, it looks good, hon. You did a good job.
Veranda. You can come over here and sit. Think about life's choices. Sob to yourself.
You're uplifting.
Sorry.
No, it looks nice, hon.
It does.
It's not perfect, but it's pretty good for a tent. First one. Let's see how it goes.
Yep, we did a thing. We're trying it out.
As long as we can.
We're doing it.
Food and
I
bathroom.
don't like our turnbuckles and grate system, but
Food and bathroom.
oh yeah.
Anyway, yeah, go ahead. Explain what's, because I can see it's bowing.
Because we have grates that hang the paintings on, and they're suspended by turnbuckles on top and bottom. When you first put them on, the turnbuckles are always nice and tight, and as the day goes on, they fall off.
Yeah, and some of these are heavy.
The top does bow and the bottom bows. So we don't know if this is the best way for it yet, but this is the way we're doing it now.
Morning.
Well, it's in the 50s. I'm trying not to shiver.
I made you shiver.
Where are we closing soon?
What do you think of day one?
Day one, if it wasn't for the weather, it would have been a good day. We had lots of compliments, lots of potential.
Trying not to shake too bad, it's alright. It's just that cold.
Some potential
Commissions? Both woodworking and painting?
Yeah, but with the weather, it just got colder and rainier.
Oh my god,
Poopier.
I can't control my arms. Yeah, that's what the camera looks like. Sorry. Any last closing words?
Hopefully a warmer day tomorrow. This is stupid.
So, what you thinking? Besides, we're hungry and cold and feet
I
can't.
wished we were dead. But I was saying, we didn't sell anything today, but I view it as a success because we did something we've never done before in a place we've never been before. Stayed at an Airbnb, which is somebody's house, which we've never done before. People saw our art, they complimented it. We had some hits on, things that they want to buy, some commissions that they might want. So we still got our name out there, and to be, moderately successful at things that we've never done before, I think that's a good day.
And I don't know if you'll add this part with me being like the pessimist saying, oh, woe is me, we didn't sell anything. Because that makes me have second thoughts on what I want to do in life. But I've had that for a while anyway. But I think the coolest thing I saw today was people were walking by and they actually had to stop and look. They were walking by and they slowed their pace, but their head kept looking at our booth even if their feet kept walking. And a lot of people, they would just stop and go, wow, or beautiful, or just the compliments that you would get. It's just, that makes you feel like you're doing something right at least to a point, but I'm no fortune teller and I can't predict the future, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But the comments were really cool because that's not something you get every day. So it has its own validation.
Is everybody okay?
Oh my god.
I didn't mean to drop you.
Watch the baby.
It's just hard when the world revolves around, did you make any money today? Oh, then you're a failure.
That's the mindset. That's what's hard to try and show people. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
But we're gonna go eat because we haven't eaten in 7 hours, and we've been outside for 55-degree weather and raining all day.
I forgot our coats because I'm stupid.
Yeah, and then we forgot our masks because we're stupid too.
Well, thanks to my mom, we had Galaxy backups.
We had Galaxy masks, Evan and Caitlin.
Take that, Neil deGrasse Tyson. You're a great influence.
But more tomorrow.
Okay, what happened?
Oh, the bench fell over. And he hit parts, so now he's all scratched up.
So what you gotta do?
So we gotta take him apart and get him repowder coated.
That's one of my, well, I like all your stuff, but that one's so cool.
Oh, you can get repowder coated.
Yeah.
I forgot all about him.
I did too. I remembered these two little guys.
Yeah,
Because you didn't have room for everything.
Yeah, I remember a noise, but it's like, wow, I don't know what it could be.
Oh, and you're driving on a six-lane highway.
Yeah.
What?
That's
Sorry,
better now.
hon.
Well, now we know.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Learning opportunity.
So this is the start of day 2. After organizing the van, we're gonna die.
What?
I said, what are you doing, you freaky little Gumby?
Get taco juice in the water. Oh, taco water. It's spicy.
You're sitting there crying.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. Almost done. Then we're gonna pack up, drive home. Be home in 1990, never. I'm hungry.
Yeah, really.